Guys, welcome sa vlog natin. My birthday, March 21, is coming up. At sabi ko, anong gagawin ko sa birthday ko? Ewan ko, it's just my 38th birthday. I've always loved WWE. I've always loved professional wrestling. Nag-enjoy ako at nung pumuntang WWE dito sa Pilipinas, talagang sinigurado ko na makanood ako. I had so much fun, lalo na si John Cena ang main event nung gabing yon. And it just popped out. What can I do for my birthday that will make it exciting? Isip ko, why not beat someone up? Welcome to my vlog. And for my birthday, I want to do something new. And yes, on my birthday, actually for the special event na meron sila on March 23 for FPW, I will take part in one short segment at isusurprise ko, hindi sarili ko, kundi si Melissa. Kasi magagalit yan for sure. I will have Jay Talas be there at magtatago siya. Kukunan niya yung buong surprise. Lang, it's my birthday. I can do whatever I want. Birthday ko eh. Ganun talaga. Big shout out to Red for saying yes and FPW for including me. Ngayon, hindi alam ni Melissa. Pero, andito ako sa training camp ng FPW. And, makikitrain ako sa kanila. So, this is them training. Watch. That looks hard. So, it's so nice to see that Philippine professional wrestling is a thing here in the Philippines and a lot of people actually love doing it. And dahil dream ko, kahit saglit lang, maranasan yan. Tatry natin. Ito yung makakasama ko sa stint, si Tiago. Siya yung parang gugulpihin. Oh! Kala nyo madali lang to ha. Mas magaling pa ata silang mag-act kesa sa akin. Wow! Woo! Whoa! Backward roll. Pagdating ng paa sa taas, tulak. Kailangan makalanding sa paa. Tingnan natin kung magagawa natin. Whoa! Medyo nabibigla ako sa nakikita ko today, ha? Kaya ko ba, sir? Kaya ko ba yan?
Oo, kaya. We'll get it.
Alright. Okay. Parang may sequence siya, eh. Alright, it's a slam. Pero of course, hindi mo papatamaan yung ulo. Oh! Sige. Parang nagsisisi ako. Oh! Shit, kaya ko ba to? Pinapawisan ako, guys. Oh! Okay, guys. Nakarami na ako ng training, striking, kicking. Kaya nagtatanong na ako ng sequence. Gusto nila na i-wing na lang namin. Na bahala na improv. Sabi ko, buha tayong sequence. Sabi ko na baka magmukhang peke daw. Mas maganda na on the day itself, bahala na gawin na namin. Shit. Kaya natin kung but here's a glimpse of what's gonna happen. Meron sila academy. So mag-practice kami something like that and hopefully we get to sell it on the 23rd at magulat si Mel at mga kaibigan niya. Let's see. Sana hindi ako ma-injure. Okay, tapos na yung training ko, off to work. And ito alam na ni Mel. So wish me luck, guys. Tignan natin at enjoy the video. Good morning. Done with my birthday week. As you all saw from the videos, nakapag-training ako sa FPW. So, thank you, Red, for accommodating me and sa aking munting hiling na i-prank ang asawa ko sa araw na ito, March 23. So today guys, it is 9:14 AM at alam ni Mel ay pupunta ako ng fight rehearsals. Hindi ko sinabi sa kanya obviously kasi I'm on my way to Big Studios kung saan ginagawa ang Phil Pro Wrestling founded by Mr. Red. Got a chance to meet all the wonderful athletes and wrestlers. Napakabait, napaka-accommodating, nakakatuwa to see them train. It's so different as to what I do with Jiu-Jitsu. Fun siya! I would like to do it as an extra exercise kasi may konting acting din siya. Nakakatuwa. Going back, ba't ko ginagawa to? Kasi for my 38, sabi ko wala akong maisip na kakaibang pwedeng gawin. Dream ko naman maging ala Eddie Guerrero, Frog Splash, or kaya Triple H na gumagawa ng pedigree. I'm big fan of the WWE and professional wrestling and what they do. I've always wondered what it would feel or be like performing inside that ring. So we are on the way to Big Studios. Jay is over there. He'll take over the cameras. Kukunan niya yung pag-practice ko ng Frog Splash. Kasi sabi ko kay Red, dream ko na magawa ang Frog Splash kasi sa kama ko lang ginagawa yan. Today, pagtitripan ako ni Tiago, gugulpihin niya ako. I don't know kung may kasama siya. Then Mike Madrigal will come out. Ipagtutulungan namin si Tiago. Mike Madrigal is a fan favorite and he's gonna point to the turnbuckle at doon ako tatalo ng Frog Splash. To celebrate my birthday! Let's make it fun, diba? Medyo kabado ako kasi hindi biro gawin ng Frog Splash. And nung pinapractice ko yung pag-slam, may konting sakit din siya. Let's see how I fare and then kung magugulat at mapaprank ko si Mel mamaya. So abangan natin yung reaction niya. It's gonna be a fun one. And again, happy birthday to me. Always make life exciting. Let's go!
So we're gonna practice our moves and see how it would look like later. So, sana pasok to. Sana kayanin ko yung moves. Bahala na.
Dito ka muna sa corner para may clearance kami. Hindi, si Rocco. Sa corner muna siya. Tapos ikaw, syempre, sugod ka na sa akin. Pag slide in, gap, boom, 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 boom. Reverse, throw the line. Gap, boom! Tapos dito ka na, Rocco. Lapit ka. Yap, boom! Saan mo gusto dito? Dito ka magpa-splash. So, hit ko siya ng pile driver dito. Higa. Tapos frog splash na. Taas, taas! Tapos pag-ano yung crowd eh. Pop-up. Kasi hawakan ko lang siya. Higher, 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 higher! Sa ano ko?
Mamaya may militan niya sa taas.
Mamaya may mag-ano. Call mo na yun, call mo na yun.
1, 2. Happy birthday to me! Siguro sinasabi ng mga nanonood ngayon, sira ulo si Rocco, no? So ito yung ring. Dito mangyayari lahat. Maluwag na maluwag ang space, so marami ma-accommodate dito. Importante bumibili ng tickets very early at dumating na maaga para makakuha kayo ng seats na gusto nyo. Siya magsasave sa akin?
Oo, mamaya.
Oh. How long have you been doing this, brother?
Around 7 years.
7 years, pucha!
Tagal-tagal na rin.
Tagal.
I am the Walking Death, Mike Madrigal. Siya yung ass kicker ng FPW ika nga. So, ayun, I come out with a mask. Tapos, I was the former FPW champion till recently.
Any injuries na nakuha mo dahil dito?
Fortunately, walang ano,
Good.
yung sobrang hindi ako maka-wrestle the next day, makapunta sa work the next day. Wala pa naman. Mga sprains lang, ganun.
That's why you train.
Yes. Conditioning is very important.
Always.
Ano na rin eh, para safe ka.
Totoo.
Kaya kailangan mo mag-bump down properly. Kaya ilang beses mo rin uulitin sa training. Pero
Ayos.
pagdating ng show, hindi naman ganun karami.
Mismo, bro. Excited ako mapanood ka mamaya.
Alright.
I'll see you later, man. Sir, introduce yourself, please.
My name is Tiago. Your Gym Bro! So, ang character ko, Gym Bro na mahilig mag-squats. So, ito naman yun.
Ayan. Oh, yeah. Talo ako guys, talo ako. You're gym bro! Di ko ma-deliver. You're gym bro! Woo! Tignan mo si Mel. Enjoy na enjoy. Nag-enjoy ka? There's my friend JC. First time niya manood. Okay? Yeah. It's good, it's good. It's the best. Nasali daw siya. Let's train for it, bro. Sure lang ako.
Joshua. So, wala tayong real, actual celebrity. Bravo!
Oy!
Please come in. Real, actual celebrity siya. May sabihin nyo na parang yung sinabi sa boss mo. One. Sampu. Sana na yung show.
Lalaban ba si Rocky?
Thank you. I hope. So, ladies and matches. Ano panood mo? Sino sa tingin mo ang pinakamabilis na wrestler sa FCW? I think it's Gandhi. Okay, maybe it's Gandhi, maybe it's Gandhi. Pero ito, I think, alam nila kung sino yung sagot dito. Sino ang pinakamalakas sa FPW? President, I think it's Duke. Ito, sure, kahit hindi mo na manood yung match ko kanina, which is tama yung manood by the way. Sino yung favorite mo wrestler sa FPW? It's definitely Mike Monticello! I know you want me to say you, but di ba wala pa siyang panalo ng match with you?
Successful and prank. We got Mel. We got Mel for my birthday. Thank you. We love you guys. Big fan.
Sobrang speechless.
May baon pa ako ano.
Kaya pala tayo bumili ng lipan.
Ang alam niya, may fight rehearsal ako kanina umaga. Pero sa totoo lang, dito ako pumunta para mag-rehearse. Para ma-prank ka.
Oh my God! Nagiginig ako gago! Nagiginig ako gago!
Manginginig. So much fun. Alam ni Jay lahat.
Iba yung kaba ko!
Gusto mo ba umakyat para gulpin siya?
Oo. Sipahin ko balls niya. Na-realize ko na, oh my God, yung practice niya kanina, ito yun. Kasi hindi siya nag-update sa akin.
Oo, nag-update kasi ako eh. Oo nga no, kanina hindi. Dapat simula ngayon hindi na ako mag-update sa'yo. Para yung ibang surprise ko hindi na halata.
Ay, proud ako sa'yo ah.
Okay ba?
Nag-smile ako eh. Naka-smile ako the whole time. Yung sabi ko, oh, that's my husband! Hell yeah!
Okay. Nakabang si Christian sa lahat ng reactions mo. So abangan mo ang vlog. Enjoy!
Hindi ko alam kung iiyak ako nung sinasapak ka. Ang sakit-sakit ka.
It was walang masakit. Oh, that's
Galing.
performance yan.
Alam mo ba? Bala ko
Wala.
malon doon. Pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko eh. Kasi baka masira yung eh.
Buti ko na kasabihin sa'yo eh. Sabi ko, hindi. Surprise ko na rin si JC.
Maganda yung surprise. No. I thought you were just gonna talk tapos na.
Oo, akala ko happy birthday ka.
Happy birthday.
Aray!
Tapos ma-refund siya.
Yun yung masakit, yung kurot ni Mel. Sakit ha? Aray! Success!
I'm happy for you. Alam ko dream niya.
Dream come true.
Ano pinag-usapan na natin kanina?
Yes! Mismo. Dream come true. Masaya ang 38th birthday ko.
Natutulala ako. Pero sobrang fun. Pero last mo na yun, ha?
May humirit sa akin ng match. But let's see. I might come back.
No.
So FPW Phil Pro fans, you can do the academy, but better yet, come here and enjoy live action. Super saya. And maybe for your birthday, baka magawa nyo rin itong ginawa ko. Alright guys, to the next video. Happy birthday to me.